Hello, my name is María Catalina Tovar. I am from La Plata, Huila. Task 4, let's tell about your experience. The 1. ADGs spend much money on you last trip? Was it enfermo? On my last trip, I was in the city of Pereira. It was really a bit expensive, but I am satisfied the earning the seat in the fullest and the seat in the fullest, and I was in many incredible places that I did not expect. 2. One are the most visited places or tourist attraction in your city? Huila is characterized by its attractive places and its great tourism. Among we find the Tatacoa Desert, a variety of viewpoints. One of the best known and most visited is the Giant Hen Mountain, Pegasus, Glass viewpoints, etc. 3. What was the most incredible your activity the Coney trip? What did you do? The most incredible and favorite activity was in the coffee party in whirlpool water ride that goes around and the roller coaster. I felt tall and relaxed and I felt free. 4. One are the worst things that have happened to you on a trip to mention. I got sick on the bus, spent the majority of the trip in the hospital. I tried a food that Ernie could die in the house show. 5. Was better visiting papier tourists desinfectants I lesser known tourists desinfectants. Why? Give at least 2 reasons for your answer. In my opinion, it's better to visit less known places because you will avoid to enjoy more of what they offer you. Feel calm, while if you go to a very popular place, you will see crowds of people and you cannot enjoy yourself. Thank you.